Slime. Slimecraft.
Just come up. There would be no.
Hello guys, I'm here to say this will be 3 videos, but my one's the good one. Okay, don't watch the other ones. The shit. This is the good. Same with the Darth Vader Fortnite shit. Watch this one. This is trust me. This is a good one. So that's all, guys. Bye bye.
Are we
I'm
serious?
sorry, viewers, for being clueless.
Because Abby's not funny.
Can we agree, my viewers?
No! Oh, that was my parrot.
Editors, cut that out for our viewer.
Zombie!
Wait, I'll drop you some blocks here.
Good.
I might. I have torches, by the way.
Don't look at the treehouse.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you. Can you set it back to high?
Are you back, Granite?
Yeah, I'm back.
Okay,
Editor, cut it out.
Cut it out. Are you gonna get your stuff?
How do I go to this stupid... Hold up. Oh, here we go.
Hey everybody, my name is Ivy. What's up, welcome back to another slime video. I'm playing Minecraft with all my friends. That's like alright.
Editor, cut that out. Editor, do your job.
I'm sorry.
Editor,
I just want to explore. I'm at 1 HP.
From here on, blow him out.
Wait, I'm gonna get to it.
Enemy spotted.
Fuck.
I'm back, pimps. Where are you guys?
To all my viewers.
Albie died, bro. Are you back?
I'm back.
We make a clear path to our point.
Who hit me? What the hell?
We make a point of entrance.
I was running.
Run it!
I didn't hit you. I'm on 3.5 heart. Does anyone have food for this?
I'm a little teapot blowing up steam.
Okay. This is gonna be the suicide jump.
Shovel.
Viewers, here's the last person to reach Stone Age. Viewers, comment.
Viewers, make fun of him. Viewers, this is the ladder. This is the ladder point with What did you do?
I'm not shouting you. Let's just say that I'm the most technologically advanced.
Jerry, this is too small. I need to make it bigger.
I won. I got I won.
What are we doing? Like,
Your mom.
Editor, cut that out.
I had to kill him now.
Editor, execute him.
No. I'm going my hidey hole.
I took a right turning yesterday. Yeah, I took a right turning yesterday.
We need to make a tree there. We need to plant a tree.
Hey, look, you guys called me a little inexperienced little caveman. Look who's got iron and look who doesn't have iron, so.
Yeah, well, we have a base and you don't, so when the zombies come at night, you're
No,
gonna die.
I live in your house. And if you don't want me to, then I'll kill you with my iron axe.
Shit!
Ryan, did you take... You fucking rat, give that back!
Oh, you don't even care about my death. Guys, I died, by the way, fucking pimps.
What did I take?
Did you take my? I'm gonna kill you just in case you did. Oh, it looks like he did it. So sorry. Play.
Get him, Ronnie, get it. Get him.
Oh, get him!
Thank you for watching.
Honey, run it. Thank you for watching.
Bye, 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 bye,
Bye.
bye, bye.